Dashboard here. So I was headed into downtown Jacksonville when I see this truck that is needing to change lanes for the upcoming exit. The only problem is he's in the inside lane and the outside lane has several cars in it, lined up waiting to get to the exit. So the truck decides to force the issue and make a hole in traffic to get to the exit. He succeeded. He made his hole. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Ain't won't let him in.
Ain't room there, buddy. He made room.
Yeah, made that Jeep, let him in. He blinked, and then he stopped and he blinked again. That's that beat up ass truck though.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.